Welcome to the Yes, Your Map.
Hi friends, today we are going to discuss elimination method. Elimination method is one of the algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equations. So let us solve this two linear equations. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. So what is the first equation? 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Let this be first equation. Then 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Let this be second equation. Now we are going to eliminate one variable from this. So what I am doing is, I just wanted to eliminate one variable. So I am multiplying this 2 with the whole first equation. Just say 2 into, I am multiplying 2 into first equation. 2 into first equation, which implies 2 into 3 is 6x, 2 into 4 is 8y, 2 into 10 is 20. That is 2 into 3 6x, 2 into 4 8y, 2 into 10 is 20. And I am marking this as third equation. Now what I am doing is, I am going to multiply the second equation with 3. I am going to multiply the second equation with 3. So 3 into second equation. 3 into 2 is 6x. 3 into 2 is minus 6y. 3 into 2 is 6. And now I am going to mark this as fourth equation. Just see here. Now you have got 6x here and here also 6x. And if you subtract, this x variable will get eliminated and you will get the value for y. And that's why I am multiplying this value with the first and this 3 with the second equation. Or else how can you do? There is another way also. The whole first equation you can multiply with minus 2 or 2. And the whole second equation you can multiply with 4. Anything is possible. So here x will be eliminated. What I have took, I have multiplied 2 into first equation and 3 into second equation. And so this x value get eliminated here. And you will get the y value. You can also do another way. What is the other way? You can multiply the second equation with 4 and the first equation with minus 2 or plus 2. So in that case, when you are multiplying 4 with the second equation and 2 with the first equation, what happens? The y will get eliminated and you will get the value for x. Okay. So if I do like this, x will get eliminated. So just see what you have to do. 3 minus 4. Now you are subtracting third equation and fourth equation. That is 3 minus 4. So when you subtract, what happens? 6x minus 6x. And here plus 8y minus of minus. So it will be plus. Here already you have minus and you are subtracting. So minus of minus 8y minus of minus 6y, and that is plus. I am writing a new sign plus because 8y minus of minus 6y, and here 20 minus 6. So when you subtract, what will you get? 6x minus 6x will be 0. This value will get eliminated. It will be 0. Then 8y minus of minus 6y, that is plus 6y. So 8 plus 6y will be 14y. and 20 minus 6, it will be 14. Now here y is equal to 14. If it is a multiplication, when it goes to the other side, it will be 14 by 14. So y is equal to 14 by 14. If you cancel it, it will be 1. So y is equal to 1. So what is the y value? Y is equal to 1. So now we are going to substitute y is equal to 1 in the first equation. So what is the first equation? 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. I am going to substitute in the first equation. You can also substitute in second equation. Any equation you can choose. I am choosing the first. So when I substitute, this is the first equation. So when I substitute y is equal to 1, what will I get? 3x plus 4 into 1 is equal to 10. So 3x plus 4 is equal to 10. Now 3x is equal to 10 minus 4. Then 3x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 3. X is equal to 2. So what are the solutions you got? X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Now what is the solution you got? Solution is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Now we are going to verify the solutions. We are going to take one equation, 1 or 2. Any one equation you can choose and substitute these values in the equation, and you can verify whether these are the exact solutions. So I am taking the first equation. Okay. So verification. So I am taking the first equation, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. You can also take 2. That is, you can also take second equation. I am taking the first equation. Okay. So what I am doing, I am substituting x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 in this. So 3 into 2 plus 4 into 1 is equal to 10. So 3 2s are 6 plus 4 into 1 is 4 is equal to 10. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So 10 is equal to 10. Now we are getting the same value in both sides. Thus verified. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of this two linear equations. If you have any doubt, you can post it in the comment box, and thank you.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Please to subscribe to our channel.